Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I figured I would do me brushing out my hair. I just got out of the shower. I did brush in the shower because it's really good to brush your hair in the shower. So yeah, and I put on some makeup. Go check out my video. I posted it, me putting on my everyday makeup, and so now I'm going to show you my everyday hair. The product I use is the Bedhead After Party Detangler cream, and I use the Love Your Curls step 3. So after a shower, before in the shower I brush it with sometimes I'll use my Love Your Curls shampoo and conditioner, and sometimes I'll use just conditioner and shampoo I have. Today I use shampoo and conditioner I have because it's been a week since I brushed my hair because I straightened my hair this last week. It's already pretty brushed out, but it's a little tangly. I do put this on, and so I just drop a little bit on my hand and I just kind of rub it through like so, and then I brush it out like so to get the last little bit of tangles out from inside that I might have. I don't know. Oh, you heard that. So that is what I do. I'm not using any kind of fancy brush. I'm just using a brush that I got from, I think, Forever 21. It's a little Boston, or it might be a Frenchie, but I say it's a Boston because I have a Boston. But it's really cute. And then I use my Love Your Curl stuff. I don't always use this, but I do like to if I'm going to air dry my hair. And so I just put a little bit on my hand, like before. That's probably good for like this side of my head. So then the part I'm going to stand up for, I'm going to go like this. And then I tease it a little, not tease it, but like I crimp it a little bit so it does get that curly shape. This doesn't actually curl my hair. My hair's already curly as it is. As you can always tell that it's curly even just out of the shower. But this just kind of makes it less frizzy, so it looks a little bit more presentable and easier to maintain. My aunt got me this, so if you're watching, thank you so much. I love it so much. It smells delicious. That back of it. Sometimes I do scrunch at the top to make sure to get that curl at the top. And then I really like this stuff because it's not sticky. I hate sticky stuff in my hair. So yeah, so it's a quick little, this takes what, like 5 minutes. It's really simple, really easy. Just make sure your hair is super wet and you are good to go. So that's what it looks like, and thank you so much for watching my quick little tutorial video. I hope that helps if you've got curly hair and you don't know what products to use. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to do a video on using natural products that are super cheap and super easy to get to. Maybe not right now, but that's because the craziness in the world, and I hope this brightens your day if you are feeling stressed out, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe so that I know that you guys are enjoying my videos, and turn on that post notification bell if you want to get reminders of when I post, and follow me at Skylar with an E on Instagram. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe and safe. Bye!